Hello class, I hope you all are good and fine. So class, today topic is about the unit 7. The unit 7 is test, measurement and evaluation. Okay, so in this unit we talking about the definition and importance of test, measurement and evaluation in sports. Okay class, so let's start the class. Okay, so first we talking about the definition of test. Okay, so the definition of test is a tool which is used to evaluate the skill, knowledge, capability or aptitudes of a individual or a group. So according to Webster's dictionary. Okay class, so there is some other definition of test. A test refers to any specific instrument produced or technique used by a administrator to elicit a response for the test. And this definition according to H.M. Barrow and Maggie. Okay class, so this is the definition to according. First definition is Webster dictionary, and the second definition according to H.M. Barrow and Maggie. Okay class, so basically what is the test and what he doing. Okay, so a test is the presentation of a situation or a series of situations which bring out a specific response or answer from the subject. Okay class, so the response of or reaction is labeled to be measured quantity and the quality. Okay, first what we measure quantity and the qualities. Okay, so a test may be subjective or objective in the realm of a activity or order a question. Okay class, so this is the definition of test. And we also I'm also telling about the according to Webster and according to H.M. Barrow definition of test. Okay, so basically in fact the test is a specific tool. So so produce or technique used to elicit a response from a sports person in order to gain information to be used as a base for appraisal for the quantity or qualities of elements such as fitness. Okay, and also the skill, knowledge and values. So okay class, so in physical education testing is a very significant task for the purpose of good planning for the program. There are various tests in the field of physical education and sports such as Weber test, fitness gram, Rockport 1 mile test, Myler volleyball test, national physical efficiency test, and etc. Okay, class. So this is the all about the definition of the test. So let's move next page. Okay, so next page we talking about the definition of measurement. Okay, so basically what is the definition of measurement? So measurement is a collection of data and information about creating skill or level of fitness of a individual by using test and relevant techniques. Okay class, so this is the definition of measurement. And now the second definition according to B.L. Johnson and Jack Lanson. So according to him, measurement aids evaluation process in which various tools and techniques are used in collection of data. Okay class, so this is the definition of according to B.L. Johnson and Jack Nelson. What is the definition of according to B.L. Johnson and Jack Nelson? Measurement aids evaluation process in which various tool and technique are used in collection of data. Okay, and the easy way we can say that the definition of measurement. Measurement basically is the use of test of technique to collect information, data, specific skill, fitness level of an individual. Just for example, there are various tests such as Miller volleyball test, Johnson basketball ability test, Harvard physical test, fitness grams. There is some example to testing and measuring your abilities, skills. Okay. So measurement is a way of evaluation that records a individual's response in specific units of measurement such as speed in seconds, weight in pound or kilograms, height. Basically we measuring the inches and meters. Okay class, so response may be measured in quality or quantities. Okay class, so basically the measurement is a process through which our level to perform fitness level, ability, knowledge, personality traits, and also is skill are measured with the help of various standard tests. Okay class, so this is the definition of measurement. So let's move next page. So class, in next page the definition of evaluation. Okay, so basically evaluation means mulyankan in Hindi. Okay, so basically it is a systematic determination of a subject merit, worth and significance using criteria governed by a set of standards. Okay, so this is the definition of evaluation. So basically evaluation means organized assessments done to appraise the value of something, and the most important aspect of evaluation is to determine the abilities and the capabilities, and the last is achievement of the set objective, its efficiency, effectiveness, impact, and suitabilities for examples. Okay, so the start of exercise regime, a medical evaluation is done to ensure that the person is fit enough to handle it. Okay, so basically it is the basically the evaluation is a technique by which we come to know at what extent the objective are being achieved. And also one is, it is a decision making process which essential to make grader grade and ranking. Okay, so that's why we doing the evaluation and mulyankan to make a grade and also the ranking, and also we achieving our objectives. So And also the evaluation required a methodological collection of information and systematic analysis and the presentation of achievements and challenges. Okay, so all evaluations should be conducted uh, in a empirical manner at all stage of process. An imperial evaluation offers credible results and reduce the base in data gathering, analyzing, and formulation of findings, conclusion, and recommendations. Okay, so this is the all about the definition of evaluation and how to work, what the purpose of doing evaluation. Okay, class. So in last, according to Barrow and MCG, the definition of evaluation is it is the process of education that involves collect of data from the product which can be used of comparison with the prescription criteria to make judgment. Okay, class. So this is the all about the definition of evaluation or all things of evaluations. Okay, so class, let's move next page. Okay, so in next page there is the importance of test, measurement, and and evaluations. So what is the importance of this all kind of test, measurement, and evaluation? So there is some importance. So first is for getting knowledge about the progress. Okay, so it means so with the help of test, measurement, and evaluation, physical education teacher can get appropriate knowledge about the progress of student. To know about the progress significant not only for the teacher but for students also. Okay, class. So without appropriate knowledge of their progress, they cannot come to know where they stand. Even teachers cannot modify programs of physical education and sports without test measurement and evaluation. It is difficult to determine accurately the extent to which the objectives have been met. Okay, class. So this is the first important of test measurement evaluation is for getting knowledge about the process. Okay, so next important is for preparation of effective planning. Okay, so basically in test measurement and evaluation, effective planning can be done. Without test measurement and evaluation, a good planning can be completely unless. So teaching or coaching method can be changed on the base of test measurement and evaluations. And also students can be guided or directed with the help of test measurement and evaluations. Okay, so this is the for preparation of effective of planning to importance of test measurement evaluation. Okay, so next importance is for knowing the abilities and capacities. Okay, so in physical education, teacher or student can assess the understand the ability and capacity of students, which ultimately help to convincing a program. Okay, so this is the for importance is for knowing the ability and capacities. Okay, so next importance is for discovering the need of participations. Okay, so test measurement and evaluation help in discovering the needs of participation, identify the strength and weakness of participation or also the students. Curriculum can be prepared accordingly. So these also show where emphasis should be led. Okay, class. So this is the for discovering the needs of participants, importance of test measurement evaluation. Okay, so next importance is for motivation. Okay, so basically, motivational is a device of a measurement. A sports person come to know his and her level of achievement or also the performance with the help of this test measurement and evaluation. So he and she can try to compare of test measurement evaluation and try to compare performance with previous performance or with other performance. So puts more effect to achieve better results. So if we, if he and she come to know about other top performance, get he and she gets motivated to achieve better result. So test measurement evaluation is helping in motivating the sports person in the desired way. Okay, class. So our next importance of test measurement evaluation is for classification of sports person. Okay, so in classification of sport person, training load is given according to the individual capabilities or capacities, and we are also aware that individual difference and the exit amount of sports person. So different training load is given to different individual. Proper classification of sports person as per their capacities and capabilities is required to given them proper training load. Okay, so in test measurement and evaluation help in proper classification of sports person on the base of physical, mental and physiological capacities and capabilities. Okay, class. So sports person and student can also be classified into homogeneous group if required. Okay, so this is the important of classification of sports person. Okay, so next importance is for knowing the achievements in future. Okay, so in this point, there is a no doubt to present performance can be examined with the help of test measurement and evaluation. On the base of present performance, the future achievements can be predicted. So test measurement and the evaluation are important tool in projecting the achievement of sports person and the students in future. Okay, class. So number 8 importance is for research and experimentals. Okay, so in research and experimental, in the test measurement and also the evaluation are significant tools in research and experimentals in the field of physical education, sports. These are also important for developing and develop of your physical education profession, because without research and experiments, no profession can be improved and taken forward. Okay, so in test measurement and evaluation encourage the researchers to find out the gap in the existing knowledge and bring those gaps. So in the new generation and new word, the new styles and techniques are developed with the help of research, which ultimately depends on test, measurement, and evaluation. Okay, class. So uh, there is some others importance of test, measurement, and evaluation. So number 9 is to help the selection of player. To in test, measurement, in evaluation we can find the find and give taking a help of selecting the selection of players to who player was good in skills, techniques, and also the physical conditions. Okay. So next important is to help the evaluate the learners, and next is to evaluate the teaching programs, and next is to study the needs of participants, help to conduct the research, help to achieve aim and objectives, and help to prepare norms and standards, and help to predict in advance the performance potentials for of players. And the last one is to help the individual game classification of player. Okay, class. So this is the all importance of test, measurement, and evaluation. So I hope, class, you all understand about the definition of test, measurement, and also the evaluations. And also I telling about the importance of tests and measurements. So, class, I hope you all understand the all topics and all points. Okay, class. So, class, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you, class.